the earth is divided into two components, that is physical environment and human beings. So these human beings form the human geography part, and this creates the physical geography part. So basically human geography is the interaction of physical environment with human beings, how human beings utilize physical environment, what is their special distribution over the earth. It is all that we studies in human geography. So human geography, basically we can define it as the interaction of human beings with the physical environment. So after that we had seen that human through the time has been using environment for its different purpose. So basically human beings are utilizing the physical nature for their different purposes, and in return physical environment is also affecting human beings in return. So for example, human beings use fields for crop production, agricultural purposes, different agricultural purposes, buildings, etc. So this is how human geography is related to physical geography too. So this was basically what was our introduction, and the basic thing and the basic idea behind human geography nature and scope is to deal with the human part and its interaction with physical environment. So now this was the introduction part.